Hello everybody, in this video I will discuss another examination question on exponential functions. Remember, this is a playlist of 8 videos. I suggest you watch all of them. Question 3. The following graph is the graph of f of x is equal to a times b to the x, where a is not equal to 0. P, the point 244, is a point on F, 3.1. If B is equal to 3 over 4, calculate the value of A. So what that means is, there's your equation, f of x equals A, and then you substitute in B's place the 3 over 4, and then this other point, the point 2 and 144, it consists of an x and a y. Therefore, in f of x's place, which is y, you will substitute 144 equals a times 3 over 4 squared. And then in x's place, the 2. Then 3 over 4 squared is the same as 9 over 16. And then to solve a, we will multiply by 16 over 9 both sides. And then 144 times the 16 over 9 is the same as 256, and that is A's value. 3.2, hence write down the equation of f. Therefore, f of x is 256 times 3 over 4 to the power of x. 3.3, and there you will see I gave you the equation from the previous slide. Determine correct to 2 decimal places the value of F13. Now what does that mean? That means everywhere in x's place where you see x, you will substitute 13. And then here, there you found x, I substituted 13. You work that out with your calculator and you will see f of 13 is equal to 6,08. 3.4. Give the equation of h, a reflection of f in the y-axis. Remember, the rule for a reflection in the y-axis means xy becomes negative xy. That means you will change the sign of the x to a negative. Therefore, f of x is equal to 256 times 3 over 4 to the x, and then h is 256 times 3 over 4 to the minus x. There's your reflection in the y-axis. And then if you want to write your x with a positive exponent, you can also write it as 256, and then when your x is positive, then the 3 over 4 will swap and become 4 over 3, and then your x is positive. I suggest just do the first one. Have you subscribed yet? This is Miss Pythagoras signing off till next time.